Today we are going to discuss, does sneezing and coughing can affect my pregnancy? First, let us understand some women who are pregnant can have sneezing because in pregnancy there is a increased blood flow throughout the body. So naturally the nose mucous membrane also has increased circulation, and this can cause a little bit of a swelling and sneezing. But usually this doesn't cause or it doesn't extend more than 7 days. But when you have more cough and sneezing, it is only a symptom. We have to understand what is the underlying pathology. Cough on a chronic cough more than 7 days, and if you bring out sputum which is greenish in color, you definitely need to check with your obstetrician to understand, do we need to take treatment for this, and you might require treatment to stop your cough.